welcome back to my channel. My name is Mami Maika, and for today, we are again discussing a fake versus real LV Neverfull bag. Okay, so many of you already know the names or the style of this bag, and with my experience as a bagaholic and an online seller, I am aware that this is one of the in-demand styles of LV and considered as one of the timeless designs and classic designs na hindi talaga nag-go out of style, okay? So, I wanted to share with you on what you should look out for when searching for this bag, or if you decide to buy this bag from an online seller. I experienced a lot of clients coming over and asking me on IG or YouTube on what they should look out for, particularly for this style. Kasi nga, gusto nila bumili nito online kasi mas makakamura nga. So, without further ado, I wanted to discuss with you yung mga tiny details na kailangan nyo i-assess before you buy this bag from someone online. So, first thing to look at is this section. Okay, this part. Kasi, meron dito very, very small detail na mahuhuli nyo agad kung fake ba or authentic yung bag na bibilin nyo. Okay? So, for your information, this bag that I'm holding right now is the fake one. And this one is the real LV Neverfull. Okay? Real, fake. Okay? So, if you're going to check this section out, you will notice a difference with the count of the stitches. So, dito sa Neverfull na original or authentic, if you count the V stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sa other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 each side para sa V. Okay? Dito naman sa fake bag, dun sila hindi nagtugma. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dito sa kabila, meron siyang pang fifth na stitch dito, pero overlapping na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pero overlapping na siya dito sa stitch sa side. Okay? Yan yung hindi nila ma-perfect. Okay? So, yun yung main difference dito sa section na to. Other side of the fake bag. So, dito talaga, kulang talaga yung stitch niya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ganun din. So, dapat yan, kung authentic ang bag na bibili nyo, dapat 5 dito, 5 dito. Okay? So, dito pa lang, pag meron na kayong nakitang bag, bilangin nyo lang agad yan. Okay? 5 each side. Alright. So, maraming vlogs or videos na nag-cover na nitong topic na to. Many of them advises viewers na bilangin pa yung boxes. Like that. So, bibilangin nyo pa, ganyan. I just want to, parang magkaroon lang tayo ng shortcut, okay? Instead of, syempre, mamaya, nakakahiya, minsan nahihiya yung ibang tao magbilang pa, ganyan, to offend someone or the seller. So, a key here is that, kailangan yung piping ng bags nyo, you see this one, this is the piping of the bag. So, dapat yung next box niya is buo. You'll see it's a square, full square, unlike dito sa fake bag, hindi niya na full square. Nakaihang piping niya yung kabuuan ng first square niya. So, dito pa lang, makikita niyo na. Pag tinignan niyo yung bag, kailangan the next line or row after the piping should be a full box, not a half one or a cut box. So, another section that you should look at is the bottom part of the bag. I'm not sure kung anong klaseng bag or high-end super fake or kung ano man, kung 7A star or gano'n yung mga tawag nila ngayon sa mga fake bags eh. But, commonly, namamali nila tong part na to. So, this one on top is the authentic bag. And you will notice, the bottom part of the bag, meron siyang naiibang tile na merong word na Louis Vuitton. Okay, one tile at the middle of the bottom part of the bag that says Louis Vuitton. Okay? If you compare it to the fake bag, hindi nila yun nakuha because they have two tiles that says or that say Louis Vuitton Paris. So, yun yung main difference nila with the authentic bag na meron lang isang tile na different. So, makikita nyo agad at the bottom of the bag kung authentic or fake yung bag na bibili ninyo. So, another thing na makikita nyo agad na fake or authentic yung bag is the color of the stitches. Dito sa original LV Neverfull natin, ang nakikita nating color ng stitch is brown. Ito siya. Kulay medyo medium brown. There. Pero dito sa ating fake LV bag, ang ginamit nila is, I think this is a super dark brown or black stitch. Okay, yun yung main difference niya sa stitching. So, original, it's brown, medium brown. So, fake, it's nearly black or black stitch. Alright. So, when you look at the interior of the bag naman, ang major na kailangan yung tingnan is the print. The Louis Vuitton inner leather print. So, we will take a close-up of the authentic one. That one. Okay, that section. If you notice the font used, it is matte red. The Louis Vuitton Paris made in France. Matte red. Pero dito sa ating fake bag, okay, transferring to the fake one, the font color used is a metallic red. So you will notice the font is shiny because the color is metallic red. Yan. So I hope na nakikita niyo naman sa video. Metallic red siya. So dyan pa lang makikita niyo, ay, fake to. Ano ba yan? Okay. So another thing, tignan niyo yung stitches nito, ha? Bitawan ko muna yung fake. Ito. So, ito, kita nyo yung stitch natin sa edge, malinis. Ang next dun sa stitch na red is line. Line all the way down to there. Straight line. Okay? Kapag fake ang bag, usually yan, nag-overlap yan. Diba? Minsan may flower dito, minsan may star dito. Pakikita nyo yan dito sa fake bag. So, let's go over to the fake bag. Kita nyo yung lining niya. You see what I'm talking about? So, putol-putol. Meron siyang mga elements ni LV, yung mga design niya, na nasa mismong stitching, and LV will never do that. Okay? And only low-quality bag suppliers wouldn't care about this. Okay? So, pag may ganyan, red flag, sorry, balik money. Okay? Next.
Sure.
So, another thing, tignan nyo rin yung date code. I will flash a photo of side-by-side comparison ng date code. Sobrang lalim nung engrave niya and ang lalaki ng letters. Saka very poorly done. Unlike dun sa authentic bag, makikita mo finesse yung pagkaka-imprint nung date code nila. So, I hope you see the difference with this side-by-side picture. Thing, talagang pag binuhat niya yung bag, pag naramdaman niya shock ng bigat. So it's lalo na kapag meron na kayo mga LV bags, ha. I'm not saying na pabilot yun na bigatan ka fake na. Only use that as a reference if marami na kayong nahawakan ng LV bags or if you own other LV bags din. Kasi usually, sa bigat pa lang, malalaman mo na kung fake or authentic yung isang bag ng LV o hindi. Dahil sobrang bigat ng mga fake compared dito sa mga authentic. Yeah. Usually, sabi kasi sa ibang vlogs, you also look at the dust bag that comes along with the bags. Okay? So, ito yung kasama ng fake. So, if you'll notice, the dust bag, the font is color red. Reddish siya and iba yung tela na ginamit. While for the authentic one, it's a very mas makapal na tela, mas may, parang mas ano siya, classy. And the font used is brown. Okay, yung font is brown. So, red flag na pag nakita niyo na red yung font ng dust bag niyo. However, you have to be careful because I've talked to some clients already that fake yung bag nila pero the dust bag or the box included are all authentic. So, sometimes kasi may mga loko-loko ngayon sa online eh. Okay? Na pinapalitan nila, maybe, na pinapalitan nila with authentic inclusions yung fake bag. Okay? So, just be careful. Not because you receive a bag with an authentic dust bag or box that it also means na authentic yung bag niyo. If somehow may naramdaman kayo na mali or hindi tama dun sa bag, especially if you buy it from an online shop, ganyan, better have it authenticated as well, just for your peace of mind. Siyempre, mga moms, alam natin na hindi barya, hindi maliit na pera yung ginagastos natin sa mga bags. So, kailangan be wise and be careful, okay? So guys, for those na hindi pa alam, Mami Maika, we also offer authentication services. I am Entropy verified. But rest assured with that we do manual authentication and entropy authentication at the same time, just to make sure that all the bags na dinadala sa amin makapagbigay kami ng accurate results. So we're done for today, and tomorrow I will be shooting a new luxury haul vlog. And pasensya na, medyo matagal akong nawala sa YouTube. I had a speaking engagement, I got hospitalized, so dire-diretso. Pasensya na mga momshies. But yun nga, I hope you enjoyed this video, and sana may mga natutunan kayo, and madagdagan yung mga knowledge nyo about how to tell a real versus fake LV Neverfull in the Made in MM. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Bye!